Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another motivational cleaning video. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we're going to be tackling a few areas in my house. Going to be starting with the living room and then we're going to be moving on to one of the most messy rooms in the house at the moment, which is my children's room. Because of Christmas there's honestly so many more toys in the house and their room has honestly just become a disaster. It needs more organisation in there now that they have a lot more toys, so I'm going to go ahead and do that in today's video as well. But we're going to go ahead and start off easy in the living room, tackle this first, and then we'll move on to their room.
Out like snow in the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine as long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine as long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine long as you spend a little time. I just want your time. I just want your time.
Okay, so here we have a little before clip for you guys of what the living room looked like before we tidied it, and here's a clip for what it looks like after we finished tidying it. Much better and ready for the children to come home from school and nursery.
I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation?
Alright, moving on to the disaster that is my children's bedroom right now. Oh my gosh. Honestly, these children have so many toys and I don't need anybody to tell me that they have so many because I know they do. But this is how they like it, and I know some people say that children having too many toys is overwhelming and they don't play with them, but my children genuinely play with their toys. They make a mess doing so, but they love having this many toys, and as their mother, it is up to me how many toys that they have. So if you don't like it, you don't have to watch this video, but they do have a lot of toys. So it's a warning before you go ahead and watch this video, well, this part of this video then. But yeah, what we're going to do today is organize all these toys. I've got these grey boxes, which you would have just seen. I'm going to go ahead and organize more of their toys into. They already have these boxes in the pink and the blue. I bought another 2 boxes, sets of 4 of these boxes, and I've used 4 of them in their bedroom and then the other 4 within the house. I've actually used the rest of them for Christmas decorations underneath the stairs for some more organization and so on. But I'm going to go through all these little tiny bits. I had a massive basket in here of toys that I'd picked up from the downstairs, and all the toys that I brought upstairs from downstairs from Christmas, and I'm going to go ahead and organize them all now into these little grey bins of dolls, action figures, monster trucks, all those little fiddly bits that I want to keep safe. I don't want them to get broken. They're easy accessible and they stay with their, their kind of categories, and they can bring out the right sets and everything to these boxes when they pull them down to play with them. I actually pull these boxes down for them because they are up high, and that way they don't lose any pieces when they do get pulled down. They're not mixed with any other toys because I make sure that they're not. But this is a really good way of organising toys. They know which colours are theirs because they know which side is theirs as well, and it's above their clothes organiser, so it's easier for them to know where things are. They also have one of these silver crushed velvet ottoman storage toys as well for their toys, and they again both know which one of them is theirs. We have a lot of bigger toys in those compared to the smaller boxes, which hold a lot of smaller toys. But I just went through this, organised everything that I possibly could, got it to look a lot better. We do need a bigger house. We need some sort of toy room for them. And they also eventually are going to need their own rooms. So that is still a work in progress of trying to move house. But as you can see in this clip, it does actually start to get dark at this point. It took me probably around 2 hours all in all between going to get the children and, working around everything within the school day, but I did manage to get it done, and you guys will see the finished result. I will do it before and after, so you will see the satisfaction of how good this clean was, and I'm so glad that it's done now.
Keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown, before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
And here is their bedroom beforehand. A quick little preview for you guys of how much of a mess it really was. And the results once it's all clean.
It wakes me up like the sun. I don't wanna cut you off. I know this is such a rush. The way you move so free, put your body next to me. I don't wanna cut you off. This is such a rush.
Now that that's done and out of the way, which was my main focus to get done today, so everything else was a bonus, but now I'm going to go ahead and tackle the 2 loads of laundry that I've got to go ahead and fold and put away, which is honestly one of the worst jobs. I absolutely hate folding and putting laundry away. I love washing them, I love drying them, but folding them, hanging them up and putting them away, honestly I hate it so much. I would much prefer to do any other job but this, because it takes so long, it's so time consuming, and they're just going to get pulled out and in the same state. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and tackle the 2 loads of laundry that I've got to do here, hang them up, fold them and put them away, and then that will be it for today's video.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking.
Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!